Imagine waking up every morning exhausted, groggy, scrolling your phone, your day slipping away before it even begins. Now imagine someone else wakes up and suddenly everything flows perfectly. Energy, focus, motivation, all aligned. There's a secret morning routine that takes just 12 minutes, and once you try it, your mornings stop being a struggle. It almost feels illegal because it hacks your brain in ways most people don't even know exist. This was me. Alarm rings. I hit snooze, scroll my phone, coffee spills, I rush, and by 10 a.m., my day feels ruined. I tried everything. Waking earlier, reading, meditating, journaling, but nothing stuck. Then one morning, I decided to experiment. Not big changes, tiny steps that could fit into 12 minutes. And that morning, everything changed. I felt something I hadn't felt in years. Clarity, energy, and a strange sense of control. The first thing I did was sit up in bed and just breathe for 60 seconds. In and out. 4 counts each. No phone, no distractions. It sounds too simple, but it tells your brain, I'm awake and I'm in control. That tiny pause, that one conscious breath, it's your first micro victory of the day. It sets the tone for everything that follows. Next, I walked to the window and let the sunlight hit my face for 90 seconds. Not a glance, not a peek, full exposure. Science calls it a circadian reset. Your brain recognizes light first thing in the morning as a signal. It's time to wake up. Immediately, I felt sharper, more alert, like someone had switched the energy in my body from off to full power. Just sunlight, and suddenly my brain was awake in a way it hadn't been before. Then I moved. Just 1 minute. Stretching, a few squats, nothing extreme. It's funny how such a small action can make your body feel alive again. Your muscles wake, your blood flows, and your brain associates movement with alertness. That tiny effort gives you a rush that no coffee can match. I noticed it instantly. My body wasn't stiff, my mind wasn't foggy. Small movement, but a surprisingly big effect. After that, I grabbed a notebook and wrote one line. Today, I will. And filled in a single, clear task. Not a list, just one thing. Your brain hates vague goals. That one line creates clarity. Suddenly, your day doesn't feel overwhelming. There's direction, there's purpose. That line is more than words. It's a signal to your subconscious that you know where you're headed. Finally, I did the smallest possible action that moved that task forward. 2 minutes. That's it. Maybe I opened a document, drafted one sentence, or boiled water for breakfast. Tiny, almost laughably small. But here's where the magic happens. Momentum. That one tiny action triggers a chain reaction. Focus flows, energy flows, motivation flows. Suddenly the day feels effortless. By day 3, mornings weren't stressful anymore. By day 10, I completed tasks I had been avoiding for weeks. A friend tried this routine for workouts. Streaks they failed at for years suddenly worked. This isn't about willpower. It's about hacking your brain's natural wiring. Tiny victories, dopamine, preloaded decisions, stacking automatically. And the best part? It only takes 12 minutes. 12 minutes that transform your mornings, your energy, and your life. The secret is simple. Stack tiny, intentional actions. Start with a 60-second reset. Add sunlight, stretch, write one line, take one tiny action, and momentum carries you. Tomorrow, will you snooze? Or will you try this 12-minute secret that feels illegal and change everything?